Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So very good morning and happy Friday. So I'm very thankful and grateful to Allah Almighty that has given me another beautiful day to live, to do something productive, to do something more efficient. So if you are alive, if you are watching this video, so there is a very important message for you. So get out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is your enemy. It will never let you to do something productive. You are satisfied, you are living your life, you are in a nest like a bird, then you have to get out of that nest in order to become something distinctive. Because if you want to something better, if you want to something distinctive, if you want to get something that you don't have, then you have to do something distinctive which you haven't been doing before. So realize your talent. You have great wealth in your mind. You can't imagine how powerful your mind is. All the wealthier people in this world have utilized ideas. Only a single idea can lead your life to success. So don't fear failure. Do something better. Do something better in your life, and you need to focus on your talent. Just sit alone and close your eyes. Shift your focus inward to realize your talent. You can't imagine how powerful you are. You are the best. You can do anything. If you believe in yourself, you can do anything. Belief is very powerful thing. Conviction is very powerful thing. You can do anything, any impossible thing with your conviction, with your belief. So believe in your capabilities, believe in your qualities. You are the best. Every person has a great talent. The need is to invoke that talent. The need is to realize your existence on this planet. You are the best. You are only one on this planet. You are your own brand. You are your own thumbprint. The person who can make you successful is only you. You can help yourself to becoming the new version, the best version, the successful person on this planet. So don't waste your time, and there are so many time wasters in your life. So kick them out from your life, and furthermore, don't be a finger warrior. Please stop using so much social media. It is draining you. So use it as a positive tool to flourish yourself, to polish yourself. So this was today's message, and believe me, I'm recording this video in order to polish myself, in order to practicing my capabilities, my skills. So unless you are sitting in your comfort zone, you will never succeed in your life. You need to get out of your comfort zone in order to become something distinctive, something beautiful. So I'm also working on myself. 1 year ago, I have started working on myself. I have got out of my comfort zone. Now I am working on myself. Whenever, wherever I find some time, I work on myself. I'm doing all the time in order to becoming the best version, because we all believe that we all are going to die sooner or later. So we should live this life as a full-fledged life. So there are so many things to talk about, but we'll see you very soon in the next video. Please, if you want to become a new version, if you want to change yourself, if you want to become a productive person, please follow me and like me. If you are watching this video on YouTube channel, please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you could receive my new videos. So we'll see you very soon in the next video. Till that, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.